Okay, position ready. Exercise begin. Let's go. Straight in. Keep your body nice and straight. Keep the back straight. All the way up. Both hands on. Full palms all the way onto that box top. Good. Let's get this backside a little bit lower on these 5 seconds. Fully extend the arms. Keep going. Keep pushing on. Good. Nice straight backs. Last couple of seconds, guys. Keep working through. Catch it. Here we go. Keep this nice straight back on the hand, step up, keep your body there. Good. Keep it going. Let's go. All the way down. Last couple of seconds. Let's go. Straight off. Stay into the exercise. Let's go. Last couple of seconds. Right on the next side. That's good. Hands right down, way out. Palms onto this box top. Good. Let's go. Way down there. These triceps dips. Fully extend the arms. Keep these legs nice and straight. Keep it going. Let's go way down on that box. All the way down. Good. And working. Last couple of seconds. Action! Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's get these socks off. Get back in. Second set is working. Good. Let's go. Come on. Hands all the way up. Let's go. Down. On this box. So let's get on the box. Let's go. Let's go. Down. Straight down. Back up. Let's go. Keep pushing off. All the way you're going. Backside all the way down. Last couple, come on. Push. Last one, last one.
There you go.